We're gonna make a video right now of the sick girls. You don't look sick. I look sick.
Sick.
I look sick.
I look sick.
Look at your boogers. You wanna blow your nose for the camera? Okay. Yeah. Show them how we do it. Come on, focus. You gotta pull the tissue off. And blow. You did pretty good last time. What'd you say? What'd you say?
No.
Well, I got it on camera, so I'll be able to watch it again.
What camera?
This camera.
This cable.
This camera.
This camera.
Okay.
Ew.
Blow. Oh, good job. All right. I know, so gross.
Reasonable.
Okay, say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye. We'll feel better tomorrow. Right? I don't want that. Stop throwing them on me.